Want to reset KeePassXC? If KeePassXC isn't working properly, resetting its settings can help resolve problems caused by incorrect configuration or corrupted preferences. In this guide, I'll show you how to reset KeePassXC safely without deleting your password database. Let's get started. First, save any changes to your password database, then close KeePassXC completely. If the application is still running in the background, close it from the system tray or end the process using Task Manager before continuing. Next, open File Explorer and navigate to the KeePassXC configuration folder. This folder stores the application's settings and preferences separately from your password database. Resetting these settings won't remove your KDBX database file. Before making any changes, create a backup of the configuration folder by copying it to another location. This allows you to restore your previous settings if needed. Now rename or delete the KeePassXC configuration folder. The next time KeePassXC starts, it will automatically create a new configuration folder using the default settings. This is one of the most effective ways to fix configuration-related issues. Finally, reopen KeePassXC and adjust your preferences again if needed. You can reconnect browser integration, configure auto type, enable automatic locking, and customize any other settings you previously used. Then open your existing password database to confirm everything is working correctly, and that's how to reset KeePassXC. Resetting the application's configuration can solve many common problems while keeping your password database and saved passwords safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.